Albert Einstein, the name echoes through history. He stands as an icon of genius, a mind that reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. His theories revolutionized physics. Einstein's impact extends far beyond the scientific world, inspiring generations with his relentless curiosity and passion for knowledge. Einstein's journey began not in a prestigious laboratory, but in the ordinary world of everyday life. It was a journey fueled by a simple yet powerful force, the desire to understand the universe and our place within it. His story reminds us that the capacity for greatness lies within us all. It is a story for dreamers, for thinkers, for anyone who has ever looked up at the stars and felt a sense of wonder. Albert Einstein was born in Ulm, Germany, in 1879. His family soon moved to Munich, where he spent most of his childhood. Contrary to popular belief, Einstein was a curious and bright child. He excelled in math and physics, showing an early aptitude for complex concepts. However, he struggled with the rigid structure of the traditional German education system. Young Albert found solace in independent learning, devouring books on science and philosophy. He was particularly captivated by the mysteries of light and the nature of space and time. This innate curiosity would later become the driving force behind his groundbreaking discoveries. In 1896, Einstein enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich to study physics and mathematics. He thrived in the more open academic environment. He graduated in 1900, but his path after graduation was not easy. Unable to secure a teaching position, he took a job at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. This seemingly mundane job would prove to be a blessing in disguise. It provided him with a steady income while allowing him ample time to continue his theoretical work in his spare time. It was during these years at the Patent Office that Einstein developed some of his most revolutionary ideas. The year 1905 marked a turning point in Einstein's life and the history of science. In a single year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that would forever change our understanding of the universe. These papers covered a wide range of topics, from the photoelectric effect to Brownian motion. One paper explained the photoelectric effect, proposing that light behaves not just as a wave, but also as a stream of particles called photons. This work laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. Another paper provided empirical evidence for the existence of atoms by explaining the seemingly random movement of particles suspended in a fluid, known as Brownian motion. Yet it was his paper on special relativity that truly shook the foundations of physics. In his 1905 paper on special relativity, Einstein made a radical proposition. He postulated that the laws of physics are the same for all observers in uniform motion. He further declared that the speed of light in a vacuum is constant for all observers, regardless of the motion of the light source. This theory challenged the traditional Newtonian view of absolute space and time. It proposed a universe where space and time were intertwined, forming a 4-dimensional fabric called space-time. 10 years later, in 1915, Einstein presented his theory of general relativity. This theory extended special relativity to include gravity, explaining it as the curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy. Section 6. Debates and discoveries. Einstein's theories, particularly his theories of relativity, were met with both excitement and skepticism. The concepts were radical and challenged deeply held beliefs about the universe. Over time, however, experimental evidence began to confirm his predictions. One of the most famous confirmations came in 1919, when astronomers observed the bending of starlight around the Sun during a solar eclipse. This observation provided direct evidence for the warping of space-time as predicted by general relativity. While Einstein embraced the revolution he created in physics, he remained a critic of quantum mechanics. This new theory, which he helped to establish, described the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic levels. He famously opposed the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics, stating, "God does not play dice with the universe." Section 7. Einstein and the Atomic Age. In 1933, as Nazi influence grew in Germany, Einstein, who was Jewish, made the decision to immigrate to the United States. He accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. where he would spend the rest of his life. Deeply concerned by the rise of fascism, Einstein in 1939 signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, urging the United States to develop an atomic bomb before Nazi Germany. While he did not directly participate in the Manhattan Project, the development of the atomic bomb deeply troubled him. He became a vocal advocate for peace and for the control of nuclear weapons. Einstein believed that science should be used for the betterment of humanity, not for its destruction. Section 8. A Legacy Beyond the Stars. Einstein continued his scientific work until his death in 1955 at the age of 76. He never fully embraced quantum mechanics, but his work laid the foundation for many of its key concepts. During his lifetime, he received numerous awards and honors, including the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. However, his true legacy extends far beyond awards and accolades. Einstein's theories revolutionized our understanding of the universe. They provided us with the tools to study the cosmos in new and profound ways. His work continues to inspire scientists today, driving our quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Section 9. The Enduring Power of Curiosity. More than a scientist, Einstein became a cultural icon, his name synonymous with genius. His image, with the unruly hair and the knowing gaze, is instantly recognizable around the world. But perhaps his greatest gift to us is not a scientific theory, but a way of looking at the world. Einstein taught us to never stop questioning, to never lose our sense of wonder. His life reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end, and that the most profound discoveries often come from asking the simplest questions. In a world often driven by pragmatism and expediency, Einstein's unwavering curiosity shines as a beacon, reminding us that the universe is filled with wonders yet to be explored. His legacy encourages us to embrace the unknown, to push the boundaries of knowledge, and to never stop seeking answers to the universe's grandest mysteries.